This is Frosty the Snowman. Here's middle C. You put your left hand 5 on low C and your right hand thumb is going to go on the E above middle C. Okay, so we're going to start with a 3 on G here and a 5 on C. Stretch your 5, squish your 3, 2 in the left, hop your left, hop the left up onto the black note again, left hand 5 on C sharp, down to G, swap your finger back to C and 5, hop, over with 2 this time to get down to C, hop the left, 5 on the sharp, stretch your right, squish it to 3 on F, 5 goes down to G,